Hello everyone. Today I will be presenting a brick breaker game developed in C using the Raylib library. When the game starts, a window of 800 by 600 pixel is created. The paddle is placed at the bottom of the screen, controlled by the left and right arrow keys while the ball starts from the center and moves continuously. The main objective of the game is to bounce the ball using the paddle and break all the bricks arranged in rows and columns at the top. Each brick is represented as the rectangle stored in a 2D array. Active bricks are drawn on the screen and their status is tracked using a boolean array. When the ball collides with the bricks disappear, the scores increase by 10 and the ball changes direction. The game detects collision with the screen boundaries, bricks, and the pedal. If the ball touches the bottom of the screen, the player loses and the game displays a game over message. If all bricks are destroyed, the player wins and a you win message appears. In both cases, pressing the spacebar allows the player to restart the game. Thank you.